Welcome to Grizzly Lumen Lab, where we unbox, install, and test anything to do with lights. I actually had the privilege of being selected as a product tester. Govee sent me out the new outdoor filament string lights. Let's see if they can dominate the dark. All right, as I said in the intro, I had the privilege of being selected as a product tester for this. As you can see, there's nothing on this box except for, what I drew on there. Got a great shot of the filament bulbs right there. But let's open it up. Let's get them hooked up. Let's see what's in here. And let's go ahead and give our honest opinions about this. That way Govee can make this better for everybody. All right, you got your user manual. You got your bulbs. All right, you got your power adapter here. You got your control box. It's got a button on there. You got some zip ties in here. Not much to it. Before we get to the installation, let's go ahead and talk numbers. Your power adapter here is 4 1/4 inch long, 1 7/8 inch wide, and 1 1/2 inches deep from the base to the back of the power adapter. Your power box or your control box, let's see. This side here actually goes to the lights. It is 32 inches long from end all the way to the face of the box. The other side here is 6 foot 6 inches. And that's from the end all the way to the box as well. I always thought that these cords were always a little short, but maybe we'll see depending on where I set it up at if I can get it to work. All right, it comes with 20 zip ties. And the bulb on this, the fixture, is actually the size just smaller than a baseball. But if you look at it, you got your power wire coming up. I'm assuming the ground is in here or vice versa. And then one of these actually has a tiny LED strip in there. So I'm assuming these are only gonna get to about 50, maybe 50 watts each. So I don't think they're gonna be putting off a ton of brightness. I think these are more for ambiance, almost like your Edison bulbs that people used to have over their decks. Let's get to, it is expandable. On the end here, you have about a 5 or 6 inch run coming off the last bulb here. It does look like you may be able to add to this. I don't know if they're gonna be able to do 2 or 3 strands. I'm assuming these don't take a lot of power, so I'm thinking they'll go all the way up to 3 strands. It would be really cool if they can do a little bit longer. So the entire length of this strand here, without the control box and the power adapter, you're looking at 46.5 feet long. In between each bulb is gonna be almost 3.5 feet, depending on how tight you pull it. And there's 15 bulbs on here. So like their string lights too, and I don't have a set of their clear bulbs or anything like that, but with the string lights too, it's about the same setup. Those put off a lot more light, I think, whereas these, again, I think is for ambiance. All right, let's power them on. After watching this video, let me know in the comments, what do you think about the lights? What would you change? Is there a feature you'd like to see added? Would you buy these for your own outdoor space? And what price point would make them an instant purchase for you? Let me know down in the comments. All right, so if it isn't already obvious, you don't peel the plastic until you get it all hung up. That way you don't scratch the clear bulbs. They are plastic. They will definitely scratch. Please excuse the mess on the deck. We're slowly getting it ready for party season. I had the chromatic string lights up before. They came with those really cool tees, and I actually, on this side over here, I had about 5 extra bulbs. So a little life hack for the people that don't use the stainless steel that goes across. You can do like the chromatic string lights, and you tee it, and you put a zip tie on it to hold it. That's just, it's gonna be temporary. It's not gonna be a full-time thing, but it would be nice if Govee could provide the tees that they have on the chromatics with these here. That way you can adjust them, and for the people that have a smaller deck, or let's just say a bigger one, they're able to have adjustability to make it work in their space a little bit better. All right, let's let it get a little bit darker. We'll fire these bad boys up. All right, once you get it plugged in, go to the Govee Home app. Already added it into my device list. Hit the plus up top. It's going to search for the device. Once it finds it, you add it to your Wi-Fi. You add it to your Govee app. Make sure you do any updates if there's any updates. Let's go ahead and get them turned on. And I ain't gonna lie, these are extremely bright for what they are. They are lighting up my entire deck right now. You go into the string lights tab, and it's already set on scenes, but let's go color first. All right, and for the color section, it's just going to change to whatever color you want it to. Blue, red, let's do purple. Wow, that's a really nice true purple there. Do cyan. All right, you got your subsection here, and you can control each bulb individually. So let's go do that. Let's make those red. All right, let's invert it. Let's do white. Why not? All right. Let's make some of these blue. How about that? So you can control each individual light. All right. Go up here to vibrant, and that basically takes you to a color palette. All right. It'll change to whatever colors you need it to. Okay. Back this way. All right, you got AI. I already set one for thunderstorm earlier, but we'll do it again. Give it a second to think and figure out a DIY scene for you.
I shaped a stormy night, deep blue sky, fast white lightning flashes, and flowing blue rain streaks, giving a dramatic, energetic thunderstorm atmosphere.
If you look close, it's flashing white and blue. See if I can adjust a little bit more. It's about as good as that's going to get unless I get up close. Okay, that's your AI setting. All right, it does have music mode in here, and from the control box, it actually has a built-in microphone. We'll get into that in a little bit. All right, let's get into some scenes. All right. I don't have much ambient light. I mean, I got the lights on in the house. My wife's inside, and then I got the neighbor over there, but I want to show you that this lights up my entire deck here. That's only at 50% brightness. Raw, unedited, no filters on this. That is bright. Let's go to 100. Wow, look at the glare on that. Even if I adjust it down, wow, that is bright. There, at the beginning of the video, I said maybe 50 watts a bulb, or you know, something like that. It's not going to be that bright. Nah, I definitely can put my foot in my mouth on that one. All right, let's get into music mode.